Need help fixing your credit? You're not alone. Most people suffer in silence. You'd be surprised the amount of people that are scared to look at their credit reports for whatever reason. I don't know. Don't be scared to look at your credit reports. Your credit reports are your financial habits. If you don't face it, you can't fix it, right? And it's one of the reasons why I wrote Power of FICO. Wait, can you see it? Yeah. The Power of FICO, forbidden credit, so good, right? And my very first book, The Do for Self, this was written 4 years ago. So this right here, it all started here. To my newest book, Forbidden Credit, that is just packed with so much life-changing information. We have dispute letters where I'm kicking Credit Karma's ass. Like there's just so much in here. So good. So good. We have dealing with late payments, how to get rid of charge off because you got rid of the late payment, dealing with collections. So good. So good. You are not alone. There are books, there are coaches, there are tools, there are communities. There's a lot of resources out here that can help you repair, rebuild, and restore your own credit. So if you have bad credit or if your credit score starts with a 3, 4, 5, or 6, and you need to be up in the 7 and 800 club, guess what? You can grab one of these books. The link will be in the description below. I'm telling you guys, 2026 is the year that you need to get your credit right because you are the only person that's stopping yourself from maximizing the credit opportunities that comes your way because you've been constantly denied. So fix your credit, fix your life. All right.